Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is Time Vocabulary. Times of the day. Morning. Example, you are quiet this morning. Sunrise. Example, the rain began before sunrise. Dawn. Example, they waited for the day to dawn. Midday or noon. Example, the party will take place from noon to 4 p.m. Afternoon. Example, I have a lot of things to do this afternoon. Sunset. Example, we watched the sunset over the beach. Dusk. Example, we arrived home at dusk. Evening. Example, we are going out to dinner this evening. Night. Example, I had a good night's sleep. Midnight. Example, the party came to an end at midnight. Stay tuned for more lessons.